Have you ever felt like every workout plan online expects you to run like an athlete or jump like a superhero just to lose a few pounds? You're not alone. Whether it's sore knees, a small space, a downstairs neighbor, or just plain burnouts, sometimes running and jumping just aren't realistic. But guess what? You don't have to run. You don't have to jump. And yes, you can still lose weight, burn calories, and get strong with simple, low-impact movements that anyone can do, anywhere. Today, I'm going to show you 5 effective fat-burning moves that require 0 running, 0 jumping, and 0 stress on your joints. But first, let me tell you about a friend of mine who thought weight loss was out of reach until we simplified it. 1. The story of Nate, losing weight without high-impact workouts. Meet Nate. Nate was 47, worked at a desk job, and had chronic knee pain from a college injury. He wanted to lose 30 pounds but felt stuck. Every fitness plan he found online included jogging, jump squats, or some boot camp-style workout. He said, "If I try those workouts, I'm limping for 3 days." So we did something different. No running, no jumping, just 5 low-impact moves done daily in 20 minutes or less. And guess what? After 2 weeks, Nate had more energy and better posture. After 4 weeks, he lost 7 pounds. After 8 weeks, he was down 13 pounds and finally felt in control of his body again. This isn't magic. It's movement done smarter, not harder. 2. Why low impact can still burn fat. Let's bust a myth really quick. You don't need high intensity to burn fat. You need consistency and full body activation. Here's why low impact workouts work. They're sustainable. No pain equals fewer skip days. They keep your heart rate up without wrecking your joints. They boost metabolism by engaging large muscle groups. They reduce stress, which in turn lowers cortisol, a hormone that contributes to the storage of belly fat. And they're easy to modify and build upon, no matter your fitness level. Burning calories isn't just about speed. It's about movement efficiency, form, and activating the right muscles for the right duration. 3. What you need to get started. You don't need a gym, a treadmill, jump ropes, or plyo boxes. You do need a small open space, about 4 to 6 feet, a chair or wall for balance, optional, comfortable clothes, a willingness to move your body with purpose. Let's go over the 5 moves and I'll guide you through each one with form tips, variations, and modifications. 4. The 5 simple moves for weight loss. No running, no jumping. Move 1. Step back lunges, 3 minutes. Muscles worked, glutes, hamstrings, quads, and core. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Step back with 1 foot. Bend both knees into a lunge. Push forward to the starting position. Alternate sides for 60 seconds. Rest 30 seconds. Repeat for another round. Low impact tip. Hold a chair or countertop for balance. Fat burning bonus. Squeeze your glutes at the top of each rep. Move 2. Wall push-up to reach. 3 minutes. Muscles worked. Chest, shoulders, arms, core. Stand facing a wall, arms out at chest height. Perform a push-up against the wall. At the top, reach 1 arm overhead. Alternate arms each rep. Do 10 to 12 reps per side. Rest and repeat 2 times. Why it works. Builds upper body strength, improves posture, and raises your heart rate. Move 3. Seated knee lifts, 3 minutes. Muscles worked, core, hip flexors, lower abs. Sit at the edge of a sturdy chair. Hold the seat, lean back slightly. Lift one knee at a time or both together. Go slow, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Repeat 3 times. Modification. Keep feet on the floor and alternate marching in place. Why it's excellent. Works your abs without ever lying on the floor. Move 4. Side lying leg circles, 3 minutes. Muscles worked. Outer thighs, glutes, obliques. Lie on one side, bottom arm supporting your head. Top leg extended. Slowly draw small circles in the air. 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds counterclockwise. Switch sides. Do 2 rounds each. Feel the burn. Control the motion. Don't let gravity do the work. Bonus, tones hips and improves core stability. Move 5. Standing arm circles plus march, 3 minutes. Muscles worked. Shoulders, upper back, core, legs. Mild cardio. Stand tall, arms extended. Begin small circles forward for 30 seconds, backward for 30 seconds. Add a slow march in place to elevate your heart rate. Do 2 full minutes, then rest. Why it's effective. Great as a finisher. It boosts circulation and gets your metabolism going without a single jump. 5. Cool down and recap. Let's cool down. Gentle shoulder rolls. Deep breathing. Inhale on a 4 count. Exhale on a 6 count. Forward fold or seated stretch. Thank your body for showing up today. Here's your quick recap. 5 joint-friendly, space-friendly moves. Burns calories, builds strength, boosts confidence. No running, no jumping, no excuses. These moves may seem simple, but doing them consistently yields results. Just like Nate, just like hundreds of people I've known. Start today, stick with it, and see what your body is capable of without hurting it. So the next time someone tells you that weight loss means running on treadmills or doing endless burpees, just smile and say, "Not my style." Now you have a better way, a smarter way, and a path you can stick with. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Keep it simple, keep it safe, and keep moving. See you in the next one.